Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can submit your fruit to summer harvest event in Grow a Garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit this location or this area, and then you can submit your fruit here on this basket, but you need to wait until the summer harvest event started. As you can see that we need to wait for about 16 minutes to join the next summer harvest event. Okay, and then if you want to submit your fruit, you can click on this menu. Okay, but the summer harvest has not started yet, so I need to wait. But if you want to submit your fruit, just click on this icon, and then your fruit will be collected here. And then you will be able to get reward after the summer harvest event end. And you need to work with your friend guys so you can get more rewards. Wait, I'm going to talk to the avatar. I'm going to give you the explanation about the summer harvest. Okay, you can work together and submit summer fruit. And more fruit means rewards means more rewards for everyone. Okay, and then the point will be shown here. Right here guys, but the event hasn't started yet, so we need to wait. Okay, and that's all the way to submit fruit on the summer harvest event in the Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.